This short video is about few shot learning and zero shot learning. Very often we hear those two words, but what they really means. I think this figure from Meta LM model, this examples here explains it very well. So usually when we train a model, the model learn from the data, and then you make a inference. For example, the model for image model, all those images are cat, non-cat. But now you want to ask the model, you give a dog picture to the model, ask the model if this is a cat. So the model has never seen a dog picture, but the model should be able to answer it is not a cat. Say no. That is a zero shot. So basically, zero shot means you asking a question or you ask a task that the model was not trained for or hasn't seen that data. Another example is in translation. If the model is trained in English, but if you ask the model to translate it in German, possibly it won't able to translate it. But it's possible if the model has, because they cross-lingual transfer, maybe the model could answer German, translated in German. Those are hypotheses, but the model, if the model can transfer can translate in German, that's what we call like a zero shot. You test the model with German translation task to see if the model is able to translate it into German or not. That's like a zero shot. The few and then the question is a few shot. Few shot means okay, so the model is not trained on this task or on this knowledge. Let's give the model two examples and then ask the model the question to see if the model can answer it. Example here is I ask the model, like I gave the model two examples. Great is a positive, not happy is negative. Now, model, can you tell if have fun is a positive or negative? So the model can tell you it's positive. And the great, positive, not happy, negative, those are samples that we show the model. The model, after the model given those two examples, the model were able to predict have fun, positive. Those are few shot learning. So basically, to sum up, the difference between zero shot and a few shot is a zero shot, the model is never seen this task. Few shot is, okay, that's the model to see a few examples and then see if the model are able to execute the task of these examples. Few shot and zero shot learnings are also called a gradient-free model, and the understanding of few shot learning has evolved a little bit. You probably can see some papers say few shot learning requires a little fine tune. Some papers do not say that or never require fine tune. But nowadays, when we say few shot, usually it means gradient free, which means you don't have to update the weight. No updating the weight, no gradient changes is needed for both zero shot and few shot learning.